Hello, I'm back again, and we were working on this particular journal, and today I am going to make the tassel. I've cut up strips of the fabric that I use for the outside of the journal and strips of this pink lace that I used on the inside, and strips of this linen fabric that I had from some clothing that I discarded, and I put them all in this nice long, about, I don't know how long it is, 2 foot perhaps, strips. And then I'm going to take this smaller one and put it in the middle and tie them all together. So here we go. Usually I do this on a Tuesday because there's a Tassel Tuesday group, but it's not Tuesday and I want to make one, so I'm making it. Three ties this time. I'm trying to do it a little bit different. Then I'm going to take one of my bulb clips, safety pins. You see it? There it is. And take that, and I'm going to pin it into that knot. And then it makes the tassel. And then you have to trim the ends and make it the shape that you want it. See, isn't it pretty? Okay, I'm going to trim it up a little bit. And I did some ripping for making the linen ones. This side needs a little trimming. Okay, I think that's about good. Now I'm going to hang it from the knot that I put the pages in with. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do that, but something like that. Yeah, I don't want it to hang down too far, so I may just put it up top here. I think that'll work better. I'll just put at the very top right here. Sorry for getting out of frame. I do that, unfortunately. I'm paying attention. And there it is. I might trim it a bit more just so it's even with the book. That's how I like it. And I can always use these little pieces for decorations. And another book. I'm stick them back up in my little container I have all my scraps in. Give it a little bit more shape. Straggler. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this itself. You can add like beads and such. Let's see if I have anything that will match good. This little earring. I have this little guy. I don't want to get that one. It doesn't really match the other stuff in there. That's kind of pretty. It's another little homemade earring I made that a while back. And I can just slide it in there and twist it with one of my wire working tools. Let me grab that. Some needle noses. Needle nosed pliers. And I'll just take the wire, earring wire, and bend it until it looks right. And then tuck it. I don't want it poking anybody. Okay. Let's see if that did it. Let me get it to lay down right. Still, I think it needs something else. That's not enough. That with it, maybe? No. Ooh. Wonder what that would look like. Maybe I'll take this off. I think this would look better. Yeah. I'm gonna have to unplug this one. Somehow, some way. It'll be back. Okay, so I got the little rose off of there. And I still have this wire on here, and I think I can attach the little broochy looking thing on there, and it will be good. Let's see what I can do. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I hope you can see it. Let me get it around here. Isn't that pretty against that fabric? Get it all moved up for you to see. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. Okay, now let's take a look at the inside now that I've decorated it. Put my scissors away. Okay, let's get into the book. There we go. A little blue napkin there to really pull the layers of the napkin apart to be able to put that on nice and flat. And most of the rest of the book I just put stickers in to make it quick. But there are a few other little things, like this one. I think you saw that one earlier. And I think it has something in it. Nope, nothing in that one. But there's something in this one. Sorry about that. If I can get a smart frame. Little antique paper there. And it has a little bird from another little sticker here that says smile, and it has an arrow. I hope you can see everything. All the eco dyeing. A pretty butterfly right there. Oops, it's hard to see. I hope y'all can see things. A little card we made a long time ago. Well, the kids made it, I think. And flip up. Oh, 2 flip ups. There and there. And pretty little sticker, and I did some inking around it. And there's the pockets that we made. Another napkin piece. Went right along with that green dye. My son made that one. He's so talented. Anything artsy he can do. Here's another little thing that I made. It has a piece of puzzle that's been painted and the word awesome, and it clips this little envelope. Made it with some hot glue on the clip, and this comes open, and there's a little tag inside, and it says this and that. I should turn it around on the back. There's a little stamp with a bird that says hope. I'm just going to clip that back in, like so. Now, put it this way, didn't I? A little bit more of a surprise that way. Then I have this cute little heart one of the kids made me. And that pretty sticker. I might give this away tonight. I'm going to a preacher's fellowship with my family. I like to find someone that looks like they need a little pick-me-up and give them a journal. And that says wishes. Let's see if I have any more ink. I don't know if I did or not. I'll try a little bit more ink, see if that's a little bit. Okay. Almost to the end. Another part of that little card I stuck in there. That bird sticker. Too white. It's a little aging. Butterfly. One more aging on that one. There we go. Oh, that one's too bright too. A little bit more. That's good. They're to the end now, so plenty of space to make it their own. And this little elastic tie I put in, I just knotted it, took it through with a bobby pin. Worked really well. Just wrap the bobby pin through here. You can just pull it through really easy that way. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this. You can see it. See you later. Bye-bye.